Okay, so there it is. That's it. The juice. Sounds so uninspiring. I wonder what's going to happen. Cabbage. So much sulfur. I wonder if that's going to give me gas. That is going to be so unpleasant. But I promised myself to do this, so here I go. I guess I better set a target. I'm going to see if I can make it until noon without starving. Okay, let's go. Oh yeah, that's my stomach. I'm starving. Okay, so not bad. I did make it to noon. And okay, I was starving, so I broke down, had some chips, and okay, they were good. But, so not bad. I think the big thing is had some chips. I'll do juice again, and I'll do that until dinner and see how it goes. I've got to say, great news, even though there's so much sulfur in cabbage and it's so detoxifying. No problems with gas and bloating, thank goodness. Well, day one. Success. My stomach feels pretty great. And big lesson, cucumbers does get rid of the knot in your throat. And cabbage does seem to be really soothing on the stomach. So I'll just stick with this for a little bit and we'll see how it goes. Okay, you guys, thanks for watching. And until next time, I'll catch you on the other side.